Trip, tour, travel, journey, voyage. What's the difference? To understand this in detail, here's the video and a small practice exercise at the end. So let's start. Let's start with tour. First thing, it's not tour, it's tour. Tour can be used as noun and can be used as verb also. Where trip and voyage are done with some purpose, tour is done for pleasure, for fun purpose. Tour exactly means to visit many places, one after the other. For example, sightseeing or city touring. Example, how was your city tour? Oh, it was amazing. We visited almost 20 places. Here, tour is used as noun, city tour. But how to use it as a verb? We toured that city last month. Now, let's talk about trip. It can be used as noun as well as verb. Point to note here is, when it's used as verb, it carries a totally different meaning. But when it's used as a noun, that time it relates to tour, travel and voyage. Trip as a noun means short traveling for short duration. But main thing is the focus. The focus is on to and forth, going and coming back. You intentionally focusing on the going and the coming back for some purpose or for fun purpose. For example, business trip, or it could be shopping trip. For example, honey, I have to leave on Monday for a business trip. Traveling for short duration, for 2-3 days or for 2-3 hours. When trip is used as verb, it means to fall, to stumble. For example, do not scatter these toys all around the house. Someone may trip over it. Now, travel. It's used only as verb and adjective. Yeah, in another form, gerunds also. Agency. Which agency? Travel agency. It can never be used as noun, so we mustn't confuse it with trip and tour. Travel, when used as verb, means action of going somewhere, covering some long distance by any mode of transport. For example, we traveled almost 100 kilometers last month. You can't ask, how was your traveling? Instead, you have to ask, how was your journey? Traveling is actually an act of doing a tour or a trip or a voyage. Oh, we forgot gerunds. Let's see one example. Let's discuss journey. It is used only and only as noun, but it has two meanings. First is physical distance, where journey means whole act of doing a tour or trip or voyage, but it includes everything like distance, time, experience, fun, challenges. In total, it's journey between one place to another, the whole process. We've already discussed how was your journey. That means how much time it took, how long you traveled, what fun did you do, what challenges did you face, how was the total experience. Second meaning, path or process, in which experience is included but there's no physical distance covered. For example, the journey from childhood to adulthood is full of learning. And the last thing is voyage. First thing to note here is, it's not voyage, it's voyage is the real pronunciation. Second thing, it can be used as noun only. Third thing, voyage means long, very, very long journey and could not be by land, either by water or air. Very less people know journey to space is also called voyage. So next time, don't say journey to space. Rather say voyage to space. Example देख लेते हैं. The voyage of Vikram lander was quite challenging. Before jumping onto exercise, try writing few examples with these words on your own. Examples not similar to the ones I've used, and it would be better if you frame one whole paragraph that has all these words in it. And I'm eagerly waiting for your comments. Let's do the exercise.